Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need the phone already on the Wi-Fi network you want to share. Once connected, open Settings and go straight to Hotspot and Tethering or Portable Hotspot. Do not toggle Wi-Fi off yet. Make sure your firmware supports Wi-Fi sharing or a repeater mode. Many Vivo builds label it Wi-Fi sharing or Share Wi-Fi via Hotspot. If you see that option, enable it now and name the hotspot. Set a password so other devices can join securely. Once the sharing option is active, configure the hotspot identity and security so clients connect smoothly. Choose 4 GHz for wider compatibility unless you need faster local speeds. Pick WPA2 or WPA3 and a clear password. Make sure the upstream Wi-Fi stays connected. The phone will act as a bridge rather than dropping the Wi-Fi radio. If your Vivo exposes advanced options, set a device limit and check that tethering data isn't restricted by carrier settings. This prevents unexpected disconnects. After configuring, join the hotspot from another device and confirm pages load or app sync. If there's no internet, first toggle the hotspot sharing option off and on, then reconnect the Vivo to the original Wi-Fi. This often re-establishes the bridge. If problems persist, reboot the phone and try switching the hotspot frequency between 4 and 5 GHz or reduce client count. One key troubleshooting tip. Carrier or firmware restrictions commonly block Wi-Fi sharing. Check updates or contact Vivo support if the option is missing.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.